To cook SUMAN SALIHA. Ingredients: glutinous rice, coconut milk, brown sugar, banana leaves. Instructions: 1. Rinse the glutinous rice thoroughly and soak it in water for at least 4 hours or overnight. 2. Drain the rice and mix it with coconut milk and brown sugar to taste. 3. Prepare a pot with water for steaming. 4. Wrap a portion of the rice mixture in banana leaves, folding it tightly. 5. Place the wrapped suman in the steamer and steam for about 1 to 2 hours, or until the rice is fully cooked and the suman is firm. 6. Serve warm and enjoy.